Hi Jessica, this is Alex. I talked to you earlier on the phone and told you I was going to send you a video comparing your business's website to your competitors. So here that is. I'm going to talk about a couple things here. I'm going to talk about content, I'm going to talk about backlinks, and I'm going to talk about citations. But before I dive into that, I want to talk about the anatomy of a search results page. So real quick, the anatomy of search results page looks something like this. So sometimes you have an ad, you'll have your ads up top. Then you'll have your Google Maps section with different business listings. What it takes to rank in this section is citations, and I'll talk about that a little later. Underneath that, you have your organic search section, and to rank in the organic section, content and backlinks are going to be key. And then under that, you often have some more ads. So now that that's out of the way, let's talk about content really quick. So your business's website, advanced install. It looks like on the home page you don't have a whole lot. So ideally you're going to want to have between 1,000 to 1,500 words. That is what Google looks for ideally, and that gives you more opportunities to put in the phrases that people are searching for your services. So there's a bunch of Harrisburg related phrases that people are typing in to find moving services. So you want to have more content so you can throw those in there. So your competitors for moving in the Harrisburg area are going to be Allied and North American. And let's take a look at their content. I actually have it pulled up in another tab over here, but they have between 1,000 and 1,400 words each. So this is Allied and this is American, and they are currently ranking in the 3rd and 4th position in the organic search section. And you can see over here on your homepage you have 276 words, so you definitely want to throw another 1,000 to 1,300 words there. That's going to help you beat your most immediate competitors and gives you that opportunity to throw in more phrases that people are searching for as it relates to moving in Harrisburg. Now your competition, Allied, they have 1,364 words on the page that is ranking in Harrisburg. So as long as you get another 1,300 words, you're gonna be able to beat them in the content game. Now North American, they have 1,000 words on their homepage, not their homepage, but their page that's ranking for moving in Harrisburg. So again, if you throw about 1,300 words additionally on your homepage, or if you whatever page you want to rank in Harrisburg, if you make sure you have between 1,000 1,500 words, you're going to be able to beat your two most immediate competitors pretty easily. So that covers content. Now let's dive into backlinks. So let's go over here. This is a tool I use called Ahrefs. It gives me a lot of competitive insight into what people are searching for in Google, what various websites are ranking for, where they're getting their backlinks from. So it gives us a wealth of information and allows us to be effective online. And okay, so let's take a look at backlinks and referring domains. Right now it looks like your business's website, advanced install, you guys have 18 referring domains, so 18 different domains that have backlinks pointing to your website, and you have 76 backlinks. So that's not bad at all. It doesn't look like you are currently ranking for a whole lot of words though, so you definitely want to get more domains pointing back to yours and more backlinks. Now, not all domains are created equal. You ideally want to get domains that have moving related content to have links pointing back to yours, as those are topical related backlinks. So let's take a look at what you are ranking for, the actual phrases that you're ranking for. So if we look over here, it looks like you're ranking for a lot of advanced installation related or advanced install related keywords, so your business name. And aside from that, it doesn't look like you're currently ranking for any specific location related moving keywords like Harrisburg, York, Lancaster, Red Line, anything like that. Let's look at your competitors really quick to see how they're doing. So Allied, they're ranking, and I think it's in the 3rd position, right? Allied is in the 3rd position here. And they don't have a lot of backlinks or referring domains, right? They only have 2 referring domains and 2 backlinks, but they do have a pretty high domain rating. Now this is a metric that a lot of people use, and the higher the better. It's between a 0 and 100. So their domain has been around for a long time, and they probably have a lot of backlinks to other pages on their website. So that's one of the reasons they have a high domain rating, whereas your business's website, look at overview, you have a 3.1. So you're very low on that scale, but that doesn't mean you can't beat them. And it looks like they're ranking for 24 organic keywords. Now let's take a look at North American. They also have a high domain rating, which is probably the one of the only reasons they are currently ranking in that 4th position, considering they have no backlinks to that page that's ranking and no referring domains, right? So what does that tell me? That this is a very easy area to rank in. So any moving related phrase is going to be super, super easy to rank. Now let's take a look at the actual searches people are typing in, right? So in Harrisburg, we have people typing in movers, Harrisburg, PA, moving companies, Harrisburg, PA, moving to Harrisburg, PA, piano movers, Harrisburg, PA, and so on and so forth. You can see it goes on and on for a while, but the big ones are going to be right at the top. You can see 150 searches a month, 150, 80, 40, 20. So this is where all the money is going to be, right? And you can see that this section here is called KD. That means keyword difficulty, and it's a scale between a 0 and 100. 0 being easy and 100 being very difficult. And you can see all these searches right here, they're all zeros, meaning it's going to be really easy to rank in. Between like 1 and 3 months, you should be able to rank on the first page of Google for these, and you can start bringing in more business. And you can see over here is CPC, or cost per click. So that just means that there are people spending money on advertisements for these phrases. So these are the money-making keywords. These are the phrases that you want to optimize your website for, and that for Harrisburg, right? This is going to allow you to get that Harrisburg business. And so that goes over, the phrases people are typing in for the Harrisburg area, and that goes over backlinks. So the more backlinks, the better, and you want to ideally get backlinks from domains that are in that moving industry. So lastly, I want to talk about citations. And citations are your name, your business name, your address, and your phone number located throughout the internet. The more places you have that information, the better. So currently, it looks like you have 24 different citations, so that's good. That's very good. And it looks like and it looks like Moving Simplicity LLC, Parks Van and Storage, and Exceptional Movers. Those are going to be your competition in that map section, right? So you can see here, Exceptional Movers, Moving Simplicity, and Parks Van and Storage. So those are going to be your competitors for the map section. If we go back, so we can see where they're getting their citations from. So if we look at like Moving Simplicity LLC, you can see they're getting backlinks from Facebook, Bing, so on and so forth. So this tool allows us to see where our competitors are getting their citations, and we can go out and get the same citations. So you want a lot out there. You want a lot of citations. Not all citation places are the same. You want to have citations on domains that have a high rating, like Facebook, Bing, Yelp, MapQuest. Any of these big domains that have been around for a while are going to have a high rating, and they're going to have more weight in the citation game. So we can take a look at one of your competitors real quick. We actually did, so let's just take a look at yours to see where you're getting some of yours. So you do have some higher ones. You have Facebook, Bing, Yelp. We would just probably want to get more. Some of these down here, don't really have a good rating or ranking, so they're really not going to help you that much. The ones in the 20s, 40s, and up are the ones you really want to get. So that's about all there is to it. You have your content, 1,000 to 1,500 words. You have your backlinks. The more, the better. Generally, you want them to be topical. And then you have your citations. That's your name, address, and phone number, and many places throughout the internet. So my name is Alex Murphy. You can reach out to me at 717-808-6017. I hope that was useful for you, Jessica. And if it was, please forward that on and let me know what you think. I hope you have a good day. Bye.